On the floor, let's get loud. Ain't your mama. These are just a handful of Jennifer Lopez's or J.Lo's hit songs. Aside from being an actress and a brilliant singer, J.Lo is also a great businesswoman. She has already amassed a sizable wealth up to this point. In this video, we delve into the multi-talented musician Jennifer Lopez's lavish lifestyle and take a closer look into her 2023 lifestyle. Join us as we delve into the numerous sides of her money and fortune, as well as an inside look at her beautiful cars and mansions. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Let's begin with her professional background. She was born in the wonderful metropolis of New York, USA in 1969. This woman has always wanted to be an artist since she was a child. So she used to work as a waiter to pay for singing and dancing lessons when she was younger. She began her career in the media as a dancer in music videos, concerts, and television performances. She rapidly rose to prominence, demonstrating her abilities as a singer and actress. Her most popular films are The Wedding Planner, Shall We Dance?, The Boy Next Door, Made in Manhattan, and others. Her most popular songs include Let's Get Loud, Love Don't Cost a Thing, On the Floor, Dance Again, and Ain't Your Mama. Miami Beach Homes. Jennifer Lopez is a woman who enjoys investing in luxurious residences, having a diverse portfolio of mansions in various locations of the United States. One of her most notable and beautiful mansions was purchased with the help of her ex-husband, Alex Rodriguez. The property is situated on a 40,000 square foot lot on the artificial island of Star Island in Miami. The built area of the paradisiacal mansion is 15,000 square feet. Now the mansion contains a total of 10 bedrooms, 13 enormous and luxurious bathrooms, a living room with a fireplace, and a plaster ceiling accentuated by LED lighting. Outside, you can relax in the hot tub and infinity pool with an unparalleled view of Biscayne Bay and the Miami sunset, which provides well-being and tranquility. Real estate in New York. Jennifer Lopez enjoys the stylish life in New York as well. As a result, she already has luxurious properties in the city. In 2018, for example, she and her former partner Alex Rodriguez bought an apartment in the opulent 432 Park Avenue condominium skyscraper near New York's famous Central Park. The 4,000 square foot apartment is equipped with glass windows that let in plenty of light and has solid oak flooring. There are many services and environments in the building to give inhabitants leisure and well-being. The former couple ended up selling the apartment a year after purchasing it because they believed it was too tiny for their family. Today, Jennifer Lopez now owns a duplex penthouse. The Georgian-style home, which was built in 1924, includes 500 square feet of internal space, as well as 3,000 square feet of open space, distributed in balcony and terrace, where you can enjoy the stunning view of bustling New York City. This magnificent apartment is expected to cost around $20 million. Not bad, is it? Additional properties. Jennifer Lopez owns a beach property in the celebrity city of Malibu, California. where she spends her free time with her family. The villa is a wonderful haven of tranquility and quiet, a place to unwind and enjoy the sea breeze. Now, there are 4,300 square feet of constructed space spread across 3 stories. There is also a flower-filled backyard, a rustic sauna, and an outdoor hot tub for lounging by the sea on the property. This coastal property is presently valued at over $7.3 million. Jennifer Lopez's real estate portfolio, however, does not end there. Other magnificent property once held by the actor is an approximately 8,600 square foot summer residence in Watermill, upstate New York. This is worth approximately $8 million. There is also a 17,000 square foot luxury property in Hidden Hills, California that sold for $12.5 million in 2017. An extremely modern and sophisticated 11,800 square foot mansion in Beverly Hills, California that cost roughly $21.5 million and was left to her ex-fiancé Alex Rodriguez. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below telling us what video references you'd like to see in future videos. Now, let's get back to the video. Cars. Jennifer Lopez was photographed driving a Cadillac Escalade, which costs over $98,000 and is popular among American celebrities. She also received a $146,000 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS as a birthday present from her ex. She's also been seen driving her Bentley Continental GTC, a luxurious and powerful vehicle that costs over $236,000. Jennifer Lopez's most expensive model is a Rolls-Royce Ghost, which costs between $300,000 and $310,000. Opulent gatherings. Jennifer Lopez enjoys celebrating her life in style. For example, to mark her 50th birthday, the artist threw an incredible celebration at Star Island in Miami Beach, renting a 54-acre estate worth $35 million. The home has an excellent infrastructure and is a perfect place to host friends and family for a magnificent celebration. The spectacular fireworks display and the shattering of the huge 6-story cake were the highlights of the night. Now, for her 52nd birthday, the star traveled to Monaco and St. Tropez aboard a beautiful yacht with her partner. It is worth a whopping $125 million. Relationships. Jennifer Lopez is a lovely, attractive, and cheerful woman who attracts a large number of admirers romantically. So, in terms of relationships, the artist has a tale to tell. Many magazine articles are themed around romances. For example, from 1997 to 1998, the singer was married to former waiter and now actor 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐿. Jennifer later dated hip-hop mogul Diddy. She married choreographer Chris Judd for the second time in 2001. However, the romance lasted only a year. After appearing in the film Geely with actor and director Ben Affleck, the couple fell in love and married in 2002. And these are only a few instances. Business. Jennifer Lopez is a very successful entrepreneur in addition to being a wonderful artist and a reference in the worlds of cinema and music. She is the founder of the cosmetics brand JLo Beauty, whose slogan is beauty without an expiration date. She cares about meeting people of all ages. She also has her own fragrance and an online fashion store where she sells workout outfits, blouses, and hoodies. The New Yorker has already signed million-dollar contracts as an advertising model for firms. Last but not least, fortune. Jennifer Lopez is one of the most influential ladies in the global media. She has, after all, been working in music and movies for nearly 25 years. Without a doubt, the artist's largest source of revenue as a singer is through her concerts. Her residency in Las Vegas was one of her most profitable projects. According to Billboard, from 2016 to 2018, about $98 million were earned from performances. Now that does not include the money the pop artist makes from selling millions of physical and digital records, as well as singles. Her first big break as an actor came when she played the lead in feature film Selena, making her the first Latina to earn $1 million from a movie. Now, what do you think about today's video? Please let us know in the comment section below. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!